What the fuck? Jesus.
Connecting to Hyundai Blue Link Emergency Services. Calls may be recorded and monitored for quality purposes.
People give them health care and education. The ones that actually didn't die from being malnourished and so. Oh yes, it's a worker's paradise, the little life. Barack Obama and Fidel Castro actually were quite close. When Barack Obama first came into office in 2009, I noticed this.
God damn it.
Oh, did they do that?
Dashcam. They didn't hit me.
Did they?
Jumped in and began swinging flowers. She's not done yet. She's also competing in the freestyle later these days. And Ray, just briefly, I should mention that we expect to learn about whether the Russian Paralympic team will be able to participate in next month's Paralympics. We're hearing an announcement may come as soon as tomorrow. Of course, the Russian Olympians have been under a cloud after state-sponsored doping has come to light. Scores of their...
Твою мать-то, блядь, я такая. Be careful, please.
What does that mean? Did I pronounce it
It was almost accident.
I'm so sorry.
It's okay.
I'm a girl driver. That's the reason. I'm
Alright,
so
no problem.
sorry.
No problem. Just be careful. It's
I
nice.
will. Thank you so much.
Have a nice dog.
Thank you.
Alright.
Sorry.
Have a good night. It's okay.
Good night.
Your shoulders. That's always a good. Why would you rather lift your hand up and try to fucking, you know, how boxers do and block it? What I do is I close my eyes, I look the other way, I lift my shoulders. I'm basically trying to protect from my jugular up to my earlobe. But my jaw and my temple and all that other stuff, that's all for you. You can have that. All day long, baby. I'll fucking eat it up. Alright, how would I fare with the corner, man?
A lot of the couples like it.
Yes.
Couples like it. It's a really good idea.
Yo!
I was praying there. Alright. Whoa, oh, my car stalled? Oh, it did. Hold on.
Wow. Wow.
We.
Jesus Christ.
Yeah, he's gonna crash.
Well, he was a fucking inch away from me.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Oh my god, here we go. Fucking A. Hit the wall. Boom!
Oh my god.
You fucking idiot.
Matthew.
Holy
We gotta
shit.
call the police. We gotta call
Hang
the
on.
police. Do you want me to call 911?
Yeah, call 911. Stand by. Really?
Sorry. Sorry, dude. Pay for a new one.
Yeah, I'll pull over.
camera!
What are you doing?
Why don't you fucking pass me instead of following my ass, you little bitch? Hey, motherfucker. Who's a bitch when somebody comes up and spits in somebody's face? What the fuck is wrong with you? I'm just following you because you were going fucking fast. Don't fucking follow me. Fuck you. And don't tell me what the fuck to do. What? That is a bitch ass motherfucking move, dude. Dude, I'm telling you. Hey, motherfucker. Hey, what the fuck is wrong with you? You know what? That's some shit I could shoot you for. I'm pretty much already dead. So kill me. What the fuck is wrong with you? Let the cops come, man. Fine. Because I'm calling the cops because you just hit me in the fucking face. Here. Come here. I ain't going nowhere. Okay. I'll stay right here. What is wrong with you, man? God damn it.